everybody, this is Kelly with Luminary Nail Systems, and today we have a super special treat for you. We are doing Serenity with Sierra. You can find Sierra on Instagram at sierrasnails_. She's an amazing artist that we're so happy to have do this video for us. So everybody has their own little technique, and I just thought you guys would enjoy watching her technique for using our system. So the nails have been prepped. Her first step is to lay down her slip layer and to not cure it. So you'll see she laid down that really thin layer, and now she's putting her dollop of gel down and just sort of putting it by the cuticle and dragging it towards the free edge. So a little bit different than how I do it. All right, so she wants to add a little bit more to that stress area down the center of the nail. So she's just, again, adding a little more, pulling the product. Okay, so now she's gonna use a detail brush and just grab a little bit of product and get it into those sides that are really, really important. So she covers the whole nail, and also making sure that her line of light is nice and just getting that gel in place and exactly how she wants it to be. So she's gonna add a little bit more product here. And Sierra, I wish you were here to do this voiceover, but I hope I'm doing you justice and explaining everything you do. Her nails are so cute. All right, so once she feels like she's perfected the nail, because she didn't do a thin layer, she's just gonna go into the light, the LED light, for 60 seconds. All right, so we're putting down a really nice thin layer to start with. Love the way she gets that brush all the way up to the cuticle. All right, so she just grabbed her dollop of gel from her little jar and is pushing it up towards the cuticle and then just bringing it down the nail. Real light touch. Add a little bit more for that structure. And then again, using her detail brush just to make sure that product is exactly where she wants it. All right, in the light for 60 seconds. Now, a lot of people ask, why do you do just one finger at a time? This product is, while it has a great consistency, you'll see it's sort of like honey. So if you did a couple of fingers at a time, you would notice the gel starting to move on the prior finger that you did. So you just want to finish up the nail and get it into the light. Okay, here you guys are gonna see that the gel kind of went into the cuticle and puddled a little bit. So she's using a tool to scrape that out. And you can either do that or you can wipe the nail off and start over again. It's up to you. And back with a detail brush just to put that product in place. Now putting the bulk of your product in the center of the nail is just going to give you that much more strength. All right, in the light for 60 seconds. And then we're going to move on to the thumb. So she's gonna go ahead and finish off this beautiful manicure using our new color Serenity that just launched on September 1st. And you guys are not gonna see a final picture of this set yet because we're doing a little series of this manicure with Sierra. And the next video we do will focus on the art, where we will show you guys the finished product. So I hope you enjoyed this. Sierra, thank you so much. And
woo, Sierra!
And don't forget to follow her at Sierra's Nails _ on Instagram. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your nail tech friends, subscribe to us, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook.